guys, let me show you a variation of the marca. It goes like this: 1, 2, and 3. This direction, 1, 2, and 3. This direction, 1, 2, and 3. And here, 1, 2, and 3. So it's really easy. Let me explain to you how it goes. So the marca, let me remind you that it's just this action of joining, right? You join, I join my foot and then I go back dancing with the same one, right? So 1, 2, and marca. So here on the marca, the variation will go like this, and boom, right? So first of all, you need to be at a certain distance with your partner. So if you're in a hugging position, you will kick him, and it's not nice. So, distance, right? And then you go 1, 2, and so you prepare your right leg by joining first, joining faster than usual. 1, 2, and you on the ball of your foot. Okay, on the ball and slightly bend. Okay, 1, 2, and now what you will do is exchange this position, switch it with the other one, and come back, right? So here, how I switch is I am on the ball and I will stretch back, right? I'm on the ball and I stretch back. And then with this one, with the left one, I do the same, on the ball and I stretch back, right? Ball, stretch, ball, stretch, ball, stretch. Here, ball, stretch, ball, stretch, ball, stretch. Here, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. And here, except now I do it at the same time, right? So at the same time that I will stretch this one, I will bend this one. So it goes like this, right? At the same time. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. And you come back, right? 1, 2, and 3, and you come back. It's like I punch and I come back, right? 1, 2, and punch, and you're back, right? It's not punch and then come back, it's punch, come back, right? Bam, all right? 1, 2, and 3, all right? 1, 2, boom. Again, 1, 2, and boom. This position, 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. All right. Now, the second important thing is that I don't want to see any change of level. You need to stay at the same level, right? 1, 2, and boom. And for that, you need to really switch at the same time. That's the tip for you. If you switch at the same time, you can stay at the same level. If you switch one after the other, you will change like this, go up and down and up and down. No, change at the same time and you will stay here and it's perfect. All right, so now let's practice together. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, bam. 1, 2, bam. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Turn. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, bam. 1, 2, bam. Alright? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, punch. 1, 2, punch. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, punch. 1, 2, punch. Okay? Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, punch. 1, 2, punch. Alright guys, you got it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba and Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.